Hello students, welcome back. In earlier video, we had learned how to calculate or how to find the intersection of the sets. Now, in this video, we will learn about union of sets. What is meant by union of sets and how to calculate the union of sets here. Okay. So, standard definition of union of sets is union of two given sets is the smallest set which contain all the element of both the sets, okay, which holds the all element of the both sets. Suppose there are two sets. In first set some elements are there and like 1 2 3, and in another set some elements are there, that is 4 and 5. So union of these two sets means what? All elements from first set and all elements from second set are write down in resultant set. Okay, so just observe here. To find the union of two given sets A and B is a set which consists of all elements of set A and all elements of B, such that no element is repeated. Okay, no repetition is allowed in set. We will discuss in earlier lectures. Okay, so no elements of the sets is repeated. Next thing is what? The symbol of for denoting union of set is this one. This is the symbol of union of set. Clear? Now we will understand this set, how to calculate union of set, with the help of an example here. Suppose, first example, your set A contains like A is equal to -1, -3, -5, 0. Okay, B is equal to 0, 3, 5. Okay, and we want to calculate here A union B. So we need to calculate here what is the A union B. You have to calculate it. Okay, so how to calculate this? Okay, so write down A union B. What is meant by A union B? All the elements from first set write down as it is, and all the elements from second set write down as it is, but no element is repeated. So how to write down here? That is elements of A, that is -1, -3, -5 and 0. Okay, -1, -3, -5 and 0. Next, come to B set. 0 is already in this set, so no need to write down. Then 3 and then 5. So this is what? This is the union of set A and B. Okay, no repetition allowed here, so therefore 0 write down only one time. Clear? Next, you note that here when we calculate A union B, then it is also equal to what? B union A. Okay, suppose consider this example here. If I want to calculate B union A, then how to calculate this? Write down all the elements of B here, that is 0, 3, 5. Okay, and then write down all elements of A. Set A, that is -1, -3, -5. 0 is allowed? No. 0 is already in this set, so therefore no need to write down here. Okay, so compare set A union B and B union A. So all the elements of first set is equal to all the elements of second set. Okay, so therefore we can say that when we write A union B, it is also equal as B union A. This is one of the property of your union of two sets. Clear? Understand this one? Next, example second. Observe the Venn diagram and write the following sets using listing method. Okay, we want to observe this Venn diagram and write the sets in the listing method by using the listing method. Okay, so first of all, understand this Venn diagram here. Okay, so how to understand this one? One universal set is given here. Okay, in that universal set there are two sets, that is A and B. Set A and set B. Okay, some intersection is there, there. Okay, universal set includes the elements like 1 to 11, correct? Because all the elements to this from A and B also it includes on in universal set. Okay, so we want to calculate here one by one how to find out first one, that is we want to find out universal set. Okay, first is what we want to find out the universal set. So how to find out? So write down universal set. Okay, so how to find out universal set? That is all elements enclosed between this square, this rectangle. So all the elements included in that universal set. So 1 is included, yes. Then 2 is also there, 3 is also there, 4, 5 is also there, 6 is here, 7, correct, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, up to 12. That means universal set includes elements from 1 to 12, correct? Correct. How to understand, how to write this universal set? All the elements between this rectangle included in the universal set. Okay. Next, that is we want to calculate set A. Second one is what? We want to calculate set A. So how to calculate set A here? So A is equal to question mark, and I want to calculate A is equal to all elements within a set A. So all elements within this set, that is it includes 2, then 4, then 6, also 8 and 10, because 8 and 10 is common in both this set, that is A and B. So therefore 8 and 10 is also included in set A. So therefore 8 and 10. Understand this one? How to calculate A set, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Clear? Similarly, third one, that is we want to calculate B. So therefore B is equal to, similarly, what are the elements of B here? That is 1, 3, 5, 7 and then 8 and 10. Okay, clear? Next we want to calculate A union B. What? Fourth one is what? We want to calculate A union B. So tell me that what is A set here? A is equal to what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Correct. B is set what? That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. Clear? Now, how to calculate union of this set? Yes. When we calculate union of this set, all the elements from first set and all the elements from second set are included. So, when we calculate A union B, so write down all the elements from set A, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, next 1 is in the A? No. So write down 1, 3, no, 5, no, then 7 is also not, and 8 and 10 is already present here. So therefore A union B is calculated like this. Okay, or you can write sequentially also. How to write sequentially? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is not there, then 10. This set is also correct and this set is also correct. Correct? Next we want to calculate fifth one, that is A intersection B. A intersection B. So how to calculate this? So write down set A first of all. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. Correct? So what is meant by intersection? A intersection B, that means those elements are common in both the sets. So write down in the intersection of that set. Okay. So 2 is common. No. 4 is not common. 6 is also not common. Only 8 and 10. Only 8 and 10 are common. So therefore intersection of these two sets what? 8 and 10. Clear? Next, what is the sixth one? That is A's complement. Sixth one is what? A's complement. So when we calculate the complement, then which set we have to require here? That is universal set. Universal set is what? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And next set is what? A set, because I want to calculate here A's complement. So therefore original A set I want to require here. So therefore what are the elements of A? That is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Yes, how to calculate A's complement? How to calculate A complement? That is 2 is present, 1 is present in A set? No. So write down 1. 2 is present, 3 is not present, 4 is present, 5 is not present. Means those elements are not present in A are write down in A's complement. And it is compared to the universal set. Okay. So 5 is not presented, 6 is present, 7 is not there, 8 is there, 9, then 10 is also present, then 11 and 12. So this is what? This is the A's complement here. Next, understand this one? Next one, that is 7th. We want to calculate B's complement. Clear? So how to calculate B complement? So write down universal set first. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then write down B set. What is the B set here? That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8 and 10. So how to calculate B complement? B complement calculated. Those elements are not present in what? Set B. So write down all that elements. Okay. 1 is present. Then 2. 3 is present, 4, 5 is also present, 6, 7 is present, 8 present, 9 is not present, 10 is also present, then 11 and 12. So this is the B's complement. Understand this one? Okay. Now next. Okay, next 7. That is, what is the 7th question? That is A union B intersection. Okay. What? A union B intersection. Okay, in earlier exam steps, what we find out? That is A union B. As we know, how to find out A union B? Okay, this one, A union B or A union B. Write down here. Okay, clear? So when we calculate complement of this one, so first of all write down the universal set. Okay, so what is the universal set here? U is equal to here 1 to 12. Okay, so write down as it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then write down A union B, which is calculated earlier. That is, what is A union B here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then 10. Clear? Then how to calculate the A intersection A union B's complement? Okay, so compare these two sets and those elements are not present in set A union B. Write down in the complement of this set. Okay, 1 is present, 2 present, up to 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is not present and 11 and 12. Clear? 9, 11 and 12. So therefore this is the what? This is the A union B intersection. Sorry, complement. A union B is complement. Clear? Next example is what? That is last one. That is we want to calculate A intersection B is complement. So A intersection B complement. So how to do this? So we know that universal set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And what is the value of A intersection B? That is this one. A intersection B means we have to calculate it earlier. That is in the part of fifth one. Then 8 and 10. What is the value of A intersection B? That is 8 and 10. So you calculate A intersection B's complement. So compare these two sets and write down those elements are not present in A intersection B. So write down those elements in this set. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is present, 9 is not present, 10 is present, then 11 and 12. So this is the value of A intersection B's complement. So in this way, you have to solve the examples based on the intersection, union, complements, okay, like this. Okay. Next, there are some properties of union of sets. Okay. So first property is, when we have to take A union B, it is also equal as B union A, as we say earlier. Okay, मैंने आपको बताया था पहले. Okay, A union B is also equal as B union A. Then second property, if A is the subset of B, then A union B is equal to B. This is the second property. Okay, if A is the subset of B, then we can say that A union B is equal to B set. Clear? Next, third, A is the subset of A union B, then and also B is the subset of A union B. If one set is the subset of A union B, then another is also the subset of A union B. Then take fourth one, that is A union intersection, A union A's complement forms what? Universal set. Clear? Then fifth one, A union A is equal to A. Then last one, that is A union phi is what? Equal to A. Clear? These are the some properties of the union of set. So today we will stop here. In next lecture we will discuss about disjoint of sets. Okay, thank you.